Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I make about $20 a day off of YouTube, even on days that I do not upload. Now I went about a week-long streak of not uploading any videos, and even during that time that I did not upload anything, I was making about $20 a day. Now this type of income is called passive income. Now I put in a bunch of work and actually made the videos that are currently on my channel, and while I'm not working, the work I already did is earning me money, hence the term passive income. Let me show you guys the numbers so that you can see that I'm not lying to you guys. All right, so here we are under my channel analytics. This is the data within the last 28 days. So over the last 28 days, the channel generated almost $700. So going under the revenue tab, see that as I scroll over each individual day, you'll see that just off of AdSense, my channel is generating about $20 a day. And I think we have a dip into like $19 here. So we have those bad days where it's slightly under $20, but usually above $20 at this point, and sometimes even going upwards of $30. So how is this possible? Let me just go back here under the overview tab. You'll see this section here called real-time views, and it's updating live. So even within the last 48 hours, my channel generated over 8,000 views. So I'm gonna see more here. It is showing you currently the videos that are getting views as I'm just sitting here. I know I'm making a video right now, but even if I was just sitting here not recording, these videos will still be getting the same amount of views. As you can see, my YouTube Premium review, then the last hour got 40 views, and then my how to sell on eBay video had 7 views within the last hour. Another video had 30 views and 28 views here, etc. So why are these videos still getting views? It is because these particular videos are search-based videos. So let me just go into the statistics for my YouTube Premium review. Okay, I'm gonna click on the details, and scrolling on down under the channel tags, I have 2 YouTube extensions that allow me to see what my videos rank for. One is called VidIQ and another one is called Tubebuddy. I'll leave links to both of those extensions in the description below so you guys can download it and get this information yourself. I also have a more in-depth video talking about these 2 extensions, which I'll link in a card up above. As you can see, the search term YouTube Premium Review ranks number 1. So this is the number 1 search for people that have never seen any one of my videos. If they just search in on YouTube Premium Review, they'll get this as the first search result. And again, for all of these other search terms like YouTube Music Premium Review, YouTube Premium, it's the number 1 search result, which is pretty awesome. And as you can see, since published, this video has made me over $200. Going back to other videos that I placed well for, how to cook rice in a rice cooker. Now this this one initially didn't get a lot of traction in the very beginning, but over time the YouTube algorithm started figuring out, okay, this isn't a bad video to recommend to people for this particular search term. Scrolling down, you'll see again it is ranked number 1 for how to cook rice in a rice cooker, how to use rice cooker, it's number 3, and just the term rice cooker, it is ranked number 3, which is super awesome. I'm sure just go onto YouTube here and see how many people are actually searching for that term. See along the right hand side here with the Tubebuddy extension, you'll see that this term is searched 7 million times. And as you can see, my video is right here. Now, even if I go incognito, let's do that just to prove to you guys. Now, I'm going incognito because this is as if a person who doesn't have a YouTube account, what they see in terms of search results. So let's type in rice cooker. Search, and you'll see here's my video right here, ranked number 3 for this very broad term, which is awesome. And I'm guessing that my thumbnail sticks out a little bit more compared to these other ones, which is awesome because it gets a lot of clicks. So overall, my strategy on YouTube is to create content that people want to see in addition to creating content that performs well in search. Now, I've had a lot of videos that do well in search. I've also had a lot of videos fail, attempt to do well on search. So going to Social Blade here, you'll see I have 100 uploads that are currently public, and every day it's generating several thousand views. Now, as you can see, I have 4 key videos that are continuously getting views for me. Like within the last 48 hours, if a video can continuously get over 500 views, that's pretty awesome. That's a good video. I'm not showing you this data just to brag. I'm showing you this data because I, as a nobody, could just make videos on YouTube and was able to gain a decent amount of traction towards videos and make a decent amount of money from it. I mean, to me, about $500 to $600 a month, that's a pretty decent amount of money for a side hustle. So again, I have videos on how to replicate this in a video that I have on my channel using YouTube SEO tips. If you haven't started making videos and you really want to get started, I would recommend getting started today. Because the longer you wait, the harder it's going to be, because more people are going to get into making YouTube videos and it's going to be more difficult to do well in search. In addition to YouTube ad revenue, I also make money off of sharing Amazon affiliate links. Oh, here is my earnings overview. And as you can see, I make like at least about $1 per day from people buying things off of my Amazon affiliate links. You'll see that here I had a nice spike and made $12 for this particular day. And again, $10 here and $10 here. So this month so far, I made $5.47. Again, to me, a decent amount of money to be receiving that pays for my internet bill. I'll have a video on how to do this in the annotation above as well. So when you're trying to identify a keyword, just go onto YouTube and figure out what keyword you're trying to target. For example, for this video, I'm probably going to target like YouTube SEO. So let's pretend I'm doing the research. So let's type in YouTube SEO. Okay, so as you can see, there's a bunch of autofill options. I'm just going to click on YouTube SEO. And as you can see, Tubebuddy, this result is searched 128 times every month. So we have a couple of results here, and even one of my videos is performing well in the search term. I think it's possible that's because I'm logged on to my YouTube account and it's just showing me this because I'd most likely watch my own video compared to the random people. So let's see how it does in terms of incognito. Type in YouTube SEO. If you've never seen my videos before, they actually do not perform well with the search term YouTube SEO, but over time it scrolls down in the search result a little bit further. Let's see here. This is the top. If you scroll down, you'll see that it's right here. So it shows you that all the tips that I mentioned in this video, using your keyword in the very beginning of your title, mentioning your keyword in the description, using your keyword in the video tags, and everything that I mentioned in this video here will show you good tips on how you could rank higher via YouTube search. So those are some very practical tips on how you could begin to make some passive income by making YouTube videos and making money through Amazon affiliate links and YouTube ad revenue. If you have any specific questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to be trying to be as active as I can in replying to your questions. If you reply to a comment, I don't actually get the notification that somebody replied. So if you have additional follow-up questions after I've answered you, feel free to leave a second comment by starting a new thread on this video, and then I'll get a notification on YouTube Studio and be able to answer you quicker. And a bonus tip for you guys, videos that are over 10 minutes long actually tend to perform better in search, which is why I've been slowly trying to make my videos a little bit longer, because the more watch time that you have on your video, the better it does in terms of YouTube search. So the qualifiers for ranking higher is a good click-through rate. That is how many times that your thumbnail appears in front of someone and how often they click on it. There's a certain percentage, I do believe over 5% CTR is what you should target. And then practical SEO strategies like utilizing your keyword that you're trying to target in the title, description, tags, and metadata. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button because that helps break through the YouTube algorithm. If you want more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.